If your Opera browser's left sidebar has disappeared, don't worry, it's usually just a quick setting that got turned off. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get back the missing left sidebar on Opera in just a few simple steps. This is a super useful fix if you use the sidebar for things like bookmarks, messengers, workspaces, or quick access tools, and suddenly it's no longer showing up. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy browser and software fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Once Opera is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the Opera icon. This is the main menu button for Opera, and it gives you access to the browser settings and customization options. After you click the Opera icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, go down and click on Settings. If you prefer, you can also use the Settings shortcut depending on your version of Opera, but the menu option is the easiest way to follow along. Once the settings page opens, look for the search bar at the top of the settings page and type sidebar. This will help you quickly find the exact option without scrolling through all the other browser settings. As soon as the sidebar setting appears, look for the toggle switch that controls the sidebar to display. If it is turned off, switch it on. This will bring back the left sidebar instantly. In many cases, the sidebar will reappear right away without needing to restart Opera. If it does not show immediately, just refresh the browser or close and reopen Opera once. Now your missing left sidebar should be back, and you can access your shortcuts and tools again with no problem. This is one of those small browser fixes that can save a lot of time, especially if you rely on the sidebar every day. If this video helped you get your Opera sidebar back, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.